Welcome my dear students, welcome to my video class. Today we will discuss one of the important subtitle, that is Bohr model of atom. Bohr model. We know that structure of atom has been developed through a centuries old different discoveries. There are different explanations for the structure of atoms, and that history starts from Plum-Putty model, Rutherford model, Bohr model, and quantum mechanical model. Here we would like to discuss Bohr model. Bohr model, nothing but an improvised model of Rutherford model. The Rutherford has proposed this type of a model. Fine. In his model, electrons are revolving around the nucleus, but electrons are being a charged particle. There will be an acceleration due to the circular movement of electrons. There will be an acceleration, and because of this acceleration, electron lose the energy and have a spiral movement, finally should end up the nucleus. That is a normal principle of the physics. That is, when a charged particle undergoes a circular motion, there will be an energy loss and finally it should end up at the center. But in the case of atom, that doesn't happen. Okay, why that doesn't happen in the case of atom? Or atom is stable, that couldn't explain by Rutherford model. Therefore, Bohr model could explain stability of atom. Similarly, it could explain line spectra of atom. These are the two important features of the Bohr model. Bohr model explained stability. Bohr model explained line spectra given by atoms or ions. Okay, now let us discuss the postulates of Bohr model. I said to you, Bohr model is an improvised or an extended Rutherford model. The first postulate is electrons are revolving around the nucleus in a circular path called orbit or shell. Okay, the second is energy of shell or orbit is quantized. Very important word. This is the word revolutionized the atomic model. What is the meaning of quantized? That is the third postulate. As soon as an electron remains in a shell, its energy neither loss or gain. Its energy neither loss or gain. That is the meaning of energy level quantized. That is, when an electron revolved around the nucleus, this is suppose nucleus. When an electron revolves around the nucleus, its energy neither loss nor gain. It is quantized. Quantized. This is the revolutionary statement made by Bohr in his atomic model. He courageously stated that energy neither loss nor gain. Why? Simply answer, energy level is quantized. Energy level is quantized. That is answer for that question. Why energy not neither loss nor gain? The only answer is energy level quantized. This is a principle of quantum mechanics. But in the normal case, in our classical mechanics, when a particle undergoes circular motion, its energy will lose, no doubt. Because of acceleration, energy will lose. That doesn't happen. That does not happen in quantum level. Therefore, quantum level is, or quantum mechanics is exclusively different from classical mechanics. Fine? Okay. Now, fourth statement is, when an electron moves from higher energy level to lower energy level, its energy, it absorb energy. Okay, suppose you have a nucleus. Okay, suppose your electron is here, n is equal to 1, that is moving to n is equal to 2. This happens when it absorbs equivalent amount of energy. Plus means absorb equivalent amount of energy. Therefore, this difference, n is equal to 1, n is equal to 2, this difference is nothing but h nu. Okay. Now the fifth statement. The fifth is reverse of the fourth. When an electron moves from higher energy to lower energy, it emits equivalent amount of energy in the form of light, photon. Okay, therefore reverse happens, minus h nu. Therefore, this is the only case energy changes. As soon as it remains, no energy loss, no energy gain. If it gain energy, it will move to another shape. If it lose energy, it will come down to another shape. Okay, very, very important. This is the quantization. Now, not only the energy is quantized, sixth postulates, angular momentum of electron is quantized. Quantized. That is, angular momentum means a momentum due to circular motion. Electron is moving in a circular path. It has a circular motion. As soon as it remains in a shell, its angular momentum is fixed. Fixed. It will change when it moves from one shell to another. It will increase when it moves to higher shell. It will decrease when it moves to lower shell. And it is angular momentum is integral multiple of h by 2 pi. Okay, what is angular momentum? mvr is equal to integral multiple of h by 2 pi, nh by 2 pi. N is equal to 1, 2, 3. Therefore, when it moves from here to here, angular momentum increased. When it moved from here to here, angular momentum decreased. Okay. Look at here. V velocity. Therefore, velocity also quantized. Radius also quantized. But in this structure, velocity is quantized. Radius also quantized. If angular momentum is quantized, velocity is quantized. Radius also quantized. These are the important Bohr postulates. Now, I said you radius is quantized. Quantized. Velocity is quantized. What is the equation for calculated radius? You know that 0.529 angstrom n square by z. Now, what is the kinetic energy of electron? Kinetic energy is equal to kz e square by Rn 2Rn. What is the potential energy? Minus kz e square by Rn. What is the total energy? Kinetic energy plus potential energy, that is minus kz e square by 2Rn. Remember, my students, total energy is equal to minus kinetic energy. Minus kinetic energy. Now, what are the merits of Bohr models? Merits of Bohr model. Bohr model used quantum mechanics, explained stability of atom, explained the line spectra of atoms. Demerits, couldn't explain bond formation, why atoms forms the bond. Couldn't explain Stark and Zeeman splitting. Couldn't explain magnetic properties of atom. Couldn't explain magnetic properties of atoms. Then not applicable multi-electron atoms. Couldn't explain uncertainty principle. Couldn't explain idea of orbital. Okay, but still it is very, very important concept. It paved the way towards quantum mechanical model. Thank you for watching.